Hello, my sweet first grade friends. Today in math, we are actually going to be doing some writing. I want everyone to write down everything they learned about money. We are going to explain and write all that we know. Why? Because it's important to be able to write about things that we know about, that we've learned, and that we know a lot about. First, let's just review a little bit. All right, so I have this first coin right here. See that guy right there? Yep. What's that called? It's a penny. Whose face is on the penny? Ooh, it's not mine. Sorry. Nice try. It is Abraham Lincoln. And on the back of some pennies, the newer pennies, is the Union Shield. On older pennies, there's what's that called? Remember? The Lincoln Memorial. Exactly. So since this is an older penny, the Lincoln Memorial is on there. Who remembers how much a penny is worth? 1 cent. Very good. All right, what about this guy? Who is that? Yes, that's Thomas Jefferson, and his face is on the nickel, remember? See his face? Is this an old nickel or a new nickel? This is an old nickel because he's facing sideways. Here is a new nickel with his face facing front. Okay, but what do both nickels have? They both have Monticello on the back, remember? Thomas Jefferson's home, his house. Monticello is on the back of the old nickel and the new nickel. The nickel was worth how much money? I'll wait 5 seconds for you. 5 cents. You are correct. So the nickel was 5 cents. Oh, what color is this coin? That's kind of important. It's silver. And what color was this coin? Copper. So the penny is copper. The nickel is silver. Now what about this little dude? What color is he? He's silver. This is Franklin D. Roosevelt. He is on the front of what coin? The dime. This is a dime. On the back of the dime is 2 olive branches and a torch. And how much is a dime worth? Well, we count them by tens, so they must be 10 cents. Correct. All right, our last coin we talked about has this face on the front. Who is that? That is George Washington, and his face is on the front of the quarter. Correct. The back of the quarter has, this just happens to be the Texas quarter because it has the state of Texas and the Lone Star. But other quarters, older quarters, have the bald eagle on the back. But all the quarters have George Washington, and all the quarters are how much money? 25 cents. Okay? So now that you kind of refreshed your memory about our coins that we learned, now you're going to go to write about everything you learned about coins. Everything you remember, you're going to write it down on a piece of paper, and you're going to practice writing neatly. Write your first and last name at the top of your paper. Write the date at the top of your paper, which is March 8th, 2021. You're going to write about the coins we learned about using your neatest handwriting, finger spaces, One finger space. Between your words, capital letters, where do capital letters go? At the beginning or the end? The beginning. And punctuation, where do your periods and question marks and exclamation points go? At the beginning or the end? At the end of your sentences. Very good. When you finish, if you are at school, you're going to give your paper to your teacher. If you are at home, you get to take a picture of your paper and send it in, turn it into your Google Classroom. Have a great day, boys and girls. I can't wait to see what you learned about coins. Have a good day.